Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video we are going to load the images from our Pixabay API, and this is the main part of our complete series. So watch this video from starting to end to don't miss any of this function. And before that we had also made uh, uh, many series, so you can check out our playlist section, and I recommend you to subscribe to our channel to get more this type of video. So subscribe to our channel now, and also like this video. So now let's move to our activity. So there is lot of stuff to do today because we are catching the images from Pixabay API. So here I had explained you how to generate the Pixabay API in our previous video. You can watch that video from our playlist section. Now let's move to the dependencies that we are going to use. So in today's video you just have to implement these two dependencies here. So first is core library and second is volley. So by using the volley method we are going to add the Pixabay API to a application. So you can copy this volley library, that is com.android.volley semicolon volley semicolon 1.1.1. Okay, so let me explain you through a land activity. So in our previous video we had completed our adapter recycler view and its joining process. Now in this video, first let us create some global variables. So first I have is int number page number. So here we are going to make an endless scrolling of our wallpapers. So we are going to use all the images for our application. So here I had written first wallpaper because when the scrolling will complete we will load the second page wallpapers. Then we have boolean is scrolling is equal to false. So that means our application is not in scrolling mode and there are some integers. Okay, so after that you know that we have created this title means our action bar, and you know already all these things. So on create, on share, and these things we have created in our dashboard part. Now in this video we have to create a fetch wallpaper method to fetch the wallpapers, but before that I would like to add the on scroll listener. So for that here is recycler view dot add on scroll listener. So here we have to pass new recycler view dot on scroll listener, and in that we have to implement these two methods. So in our first method we are going to just write if new state is equal to apps list view and dot on scroll view listener is equal to scroll state touch scroll, means whenever touching is started then we are going to change our is scrolling to be true. Okay, so here it is. So after we had completed this on scroll state method, so if it is a true then we are going to load some more. So here is current item which is grid layout manager dot get child count, and total item is equal to get item count, and then we have scroll outed item to find first visible item position. So here we are getting these three things from a grid layout manager, and then we have if is scrolling and current item means our child count and item count is equal, then is equal to a total item means then we are going to make our is scrolling to be false and load our new wallpaper. So basically this fetch wallpaper is an custom method where we are going to process our adding of images from Pixabay API. So this is the custom method, and one method we will implement as normal. So for on creating option. So here is our fetch wallpaper method. So at first time we will load the wallpapers from here, and then second time when scrolling will start, then we will listen it, and then when scroll is done we are going to load more wallpapers. So again we are calling this fetch wallpaper. So that is the stuff that we are going to do. So now let's create this fetch wallpaper. So I think you understand the application of this boolean is scrolling and integers. Now moving to our page number. So in our fetch wallpaper we had created a JSON object to an means JSON language to a Java language, and we are going to do the changes in our adapter. So first we are going to write the simple URL that Pixabay will give you. So you know that Pixabay will work like this. So here is first Pixabay, then slash API, then you need your key. So here is my key that I had generated in my previous video, and then we have query. So Q for query, and here is the main part of this activity. So which is land, means here we have to find the wallpapers of land only. Then image type will be photo and pretty will be true, means is it good or not. If it will be in low quality then we will not show it. Then we have page number, and here is main function which is page number. So page number means first we are declare in our globally that is 1, but when we call a fetch wallpaper again then it will be incremented. So I will tell you now. So first let's complete that URL. So and per page is 80, means we are going to load 80 wallpapers in one page. So this much things we need to implement in our fetch wallpaper string URL, means this is our URL for API. And remember, when you type this complete link in Google, then it just need to show in JSON object only, no need to show the images. So next we are going to write JSON object request is equal to new JSON object request. So here we are requesting new JSON object, and then we are request dot method. Then here we are written get method, means we are going to get the images from JSON to us. Then second is put, means we are putting our files to the API. Then next is post, means we are publicly declaring that post. And third is update, means we are changing the data through API. So here we no need data access, so we just have get, so we are getting the images. Then we have our second parameter as a URL, and it basically need 5 parameters. So for second is URL, then third is JSON request which is null. Then we have 2 parameters. So first is new, means if response occur then what we have to do, and next is what if error is listened. So first let us complete the process of success. So success process is like that if means in it will automatically generate on response method. So you have to start writing from here. So try at, and then there will be a JSON array which will be started. So JSON array is equal to response. Now this response came from here, you can see that it is automatically get highlighted. Then we have to get JSON array of name hits. So you just have to write same to same this only if you are using Pixabay API, and if you are using Pixels API, then you can watch our previous series where we had made for Pixabay Pixels API work, and these both are completely different. If you feel this both are same, then it is completely different. Next we have for loop for our JSON array that we had catch. So it is I is equal to 0, so we are initializing our integer I to be 0. Then if it is greater than our array length, means this JSON array, at that time we are going to do the increment. So this much things we are going to start in our for loop. So it will end when we complete all these hits. So now in that hits, what we will get? So we will get a JSON object that is hit is equal to JSON array dot get JSON object of this integer. Means here we are getting all the inputs that are in the hits array. Then we have to make this hit and get the things that we want. So currently we are just getting the medium URL and original image URL, and after in moving to our next series we are going to load many more things. So here we are just getting this much string. So first string is web format URL, means medium URL. Then we have original URL of large image URL. So we will get these things from a hit, and then we are going to pass it into a, and then we are going to make a integer id to get the hit integer. After we are going to load all these things in our list that we have created here. So list of wallpaper model list, and that will add new wallpaper model of constructor id, original URL and medium URL. Then we have wallpaper adapter dot notify data set change. Then next is page number increment. So here we are going to increment our pages. So you can see that we have here it in different. So we will add this, then we will repeat, we will loop this complete process. Then if we had implemented then try, then it is necessary to catch the JSON exception. So here we have print stack trace, and then second object will be error listener, where we are just passing the error over there. Then we have created this complete things. Then we have to request our enqueue and make one new volley request. So get application context and then add our request that we have created here. So all thing is good to go. Now run our application and see if wallpaper comes or not. And if it is coming, then please note, comment me down below. If you had enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share our tutorials, and thanks for watching Android tutorials.